Tip 2. Leading lines, guiding the viewer's eye. Leading lines are lines in your scene that can draw the viewer's eye typically towards your main subject or around your photo. I'm talking here about things like roads, paths, fences, rivers, walls, patterns, anything that's a line. They add depth and they direct attention. So look for lines that start in the foreground and lead to something interesting in the background. They create a journey for the eye, making your composition feel more dynamic and purposeful. And if you do that with a photo, people will spend longer time looking at them, and the photos will have more visual impact. So, yep, in the world of endless scrolling of photos up and down, your photos will stand out more if you use leading lines well. You got to think about these things when you're using them. You don't just chuck a line in there and that's it, job done. The leading line needs to contribute to the composition. So everything I'm talking about here, all these things, they have to contribute in a positive way to the composition. And you can, I'm going on there a bit, aren't I? Let's get through the 5 tips first, and then I can have a little bit of a waffle. Marvellous.